Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix corrupted icons and shortcuts on desktop in Windows 11. So just follow some easy steps. First one, open File Explorer, then this PC. Here open your C drive. Here click on Users. Open your Users folder. Click on Options, these three dot and Options, View, then select Show Hidden Files, Folders and Drives, then OK. Now App Data. Now here click on Local. Here you will see option Icon Cache. Right click on it and delete. Now close and restart your system. Hopefully after restart you can fix and resolve corrupted icons and shortcuts on desktop in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.